Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First, open your Facebook app. Click the menu bar at the bottom right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then, click Settings. Scroll and find the category of your information. Tap on Download your information. In here, you can download a copy of your Facebook information at any time. To recover your deleted messages, first, you need to click Deselect All. Then select Messages Only. After that, scroll down. In here, you can set the date range of the data that you want to download. Also, you can set the format. And last is the quality. Once you're done, tap the Create File. You will see that the data are in here and you just simply download it. This is a zip file, you just need to unzip this file. Once you're done, unzip the file. There will be a HTML file and then you can now see all the messages in your contacts. It is recorded. Then that's it. That's how you recover deleted messages on Messenger. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.